dawn. A seed set is gathered from these neighboring lights. Each unvisited friend explored in further flights. The algorithm grows, the cluster with care, marking each point with a color so rare. Step by step, frames reveal the scene. Blue circles, orange markers, a clustering machine. Unvisited points in soft light gray to gleam, while noise is cloaked in black, as if in a dream. Clusters numbered and colored with tattooed hues, from cluster 0 to 15, each with distinct views. A code, like a painter, refines every stroke, revealing hidden structures that the data evoked. Thus DBSCAN, with density as its art, clues point together, each playing its part in this dynamic dance. The story unfolds, a poetic algorithm as the cluster